Mari bergabung dengan Master Marine 1 juta video dunia maritim untuk mengenal dunia maritim. Jangan lupa subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Share dan like.
Present continuous I'm doing versus present tense I do. Do you know the difference between these two questions? What do you do and what are you doing? So, what do you do means what is your job, and what are you doing means what are you doing right now at the moment. For example, what do you do? I'm a teacher. What are you doing? I'm doing a video about English. Now in this lesson, we are going to talk more about the difference between present continuous and present tense. When do we use present tense and when do we use present continuous? Let's see the table. Present simple, things that are always true. Regular and repeated actions, always, often, sometimes, never. Or general facts about our life, that's present simple. What is present continuous for? It is for something that is happening now, for temporary situations, or to describe change, development, and progress. Example, water boils at 100 degrees. I always boil the kettle before I make the tea. The kettle isn't boiling. Is the kettle boiling yet? Another example, to differentiate present simple and present continuous. English is a popular language in business. I always speak English in my lesson. I like English, that's present tense. Present continuous. I am in my lesson, so I'm speaking English. I am studying English for a year at university. My English is improving. Okay, one other example to differentiate present tense and present continuous. It never snows in Germany in the summer. It often snows in the winter. I enjoy snow. That's present tense. And it isn't snowing. The sun is shining. It's happening right now, so it's present continuous. Let's ask Mr. Bean again about his life, his daily life, his activities, and see the difference between present tense and present continuous. What does Mr. Bean do? He's a teacher. Is he sitting? No, he isn't sitting. He's standing. The first one is present tense, the second one is present continuous. What does he teach? He teaches English. What is he doing? He's holding a flag. So the first one is present tense, the second one is present continuous. Where does he work? He works at a language school in London. Is he working there today? No, he's not working there today. It's closed. The first one is present tense and the second one is present continuous. What is he doing today? He's driving to Nottingham. Does he often drive to Nottingham? No, he usually takes the train. The first one is present continuous and the second one is present tense. Now you tell us about your activity. What is it that you always do, you often do, you sometimes do, and you never do? And what are you doing at the moment? What are you